The plagiarism dilemma in the Internet age. Dual challenges of law and ethics. Plagiarism of others' works and ideas has become a widespread phenomenon in the Internet age. This behavior not only violates morals and ethics but also severely infringes on the intellectual property of original creators. What's even more worrying is that such shameless behavior is not effectively curbed online. On the contrary, some with ill intentions teach others how to plagiarize on the Internet. These so-called tutorials guide people on how to slightly modify others' works and then publish them under their own names. This conduct is not just morally corrupt but also constitutes a crime against intellectual property. Yet, it's disheartening to see such content that teaches people to do wrong gaining many subscribers and likes online. This phenomenon makes us question, what's wrong with this era? Currently, neither the Internet nor various online platforms have established clear and effective laws or regulations to limit the publication of such content. While some countries are starting to recognize the importance of intellectual property protection, globally there are still many gaps in regulation. Meanwhile, the prevalence of plagiarism harms the interests of original creators, lowers the quality of online content, and hinders the positive development of innovation and creativity. We must ask, isn't this behavior criminal? Plagiarism not only robs original creators of their deserved rewards and reputation but also damages their creative work. This conduct inflicts severe negative impacts on the entire Internet ecosystem. In response to this issue, we need to take action. First, governments around the world should strengthen legislation and enforcement to protect intellectual property and ensure plagiarists face due consequences. Second, online platforms should enhance content regulation by establishing stricter review mechanisms to eliminate plagiarized content. Furthermore, education is key to solving this problem. We must use education to raise awareness of intellectual property and originality, helping people recognize the harm of plagiarism. This includes teaching basic intellectual property knowledge in schools and promoting a culture of respecting originality in society. Simultaneously, we need to cultivate public critical thinking to help them identify and resist plagiarized content. Only when people stop supporting plagiarized content will such behavior decrease over time. As Internet users, we also bear the responsibility to say no to plagiarism. We can express our stance by reporting plagiarized content and rejecting unethical behavior. Only through collective effort can we purify the online environment and make the Internet a place that respects intellectual property and originality. The development of the Internet has made creativity and innovation possible, but it has also brought various challenges. As members of society, we must reflect on the values of this era. Are we too focused on traffic and hype while ignoring the authenticity and originality of works? In pursuing rapid spread, have we lost respect for creativity and intellectual property? Additionally, we must reflect on why plagiarized content gains popularity. Is it because we lack appreciation for original works? Or because our education in morals and laws hasn't been thorough enough? The causes behind this phenomenon warrant deeper examination. In confronting this issue, we should consider how to act from personal and societal levels. Besides reporting plagiarism, we can actively participate in promoting intellectual property protection legislation and policy formulation. Meanwhile, we can encourage and support the creation of original content, providing more opportunities for its display and development. The Internet age presents us with many opportunities and challenges. We should leverage the strengths of this era to advance intellectual property protection and maintain the healthy development of the Internet. Let's work together to create an era that respects creativity and originality. Can we continue to tolerate such disregard for morals and laws in plagiarism? Shouldn't we take collective action to change this situation and protect the interests of creators and the healthy development of the internet?